Hello students, this is Kanika Gupta representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today in this video we are going to revise our chapter number 13, that is shapes and patterns, and chapter number 14, that is data handling. So first we are going to revise our chapter number 13, that is shapes and patterns. Now students, firstly we are going to study about shapes. So in this chapter we will read about two types of shape. First is open shape and second one is closed shape. So students, look at the following shapes. They start at different points, so they are called open shapes. Fine. Now second shape is closed shape, and they are closed shape. They start and end at the same point. So this is called closed shape. Now students, we are going to do our exercise 13.1. Now we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 13.1, in which we have to name the following parts of the given circle. So A part of this question is radii. Fine. Now in this question you have to find the radii, chords, diameter and center. Fine. So students, the distance from the center point to any point on the boundary of the circle is called radius. So here CL, CM and CP are the radius of the circle. CL, CM and CP. Fine. Now what we have to find? We have to find chords of the circle. So what are the chords of the circle? A line segment connecting two points on a curve is called chord of a circle. So here L, M and X, Y are the chords of the circle. Now C part is diameter. So what is diameter, students? Diameter is the line which divides the circle into two equal parts. So which line is dividing circle into two parts? So here line MN, LM is dividing circle into two parts. So here LM is the diameter of the circle. Now center, the center of a circle is the center point in a circle from which all the distance to the point on the circle are equal. So here C is the center point of the circle. Now students, we are going to do question number 3 of this exercise. So question number 3 of this exercise is find the diameter of the circle whose radius is given. Now in this question what we have given? We have given diameter of circle, and what you have to find? You have to find radius of the circle. So students, firstly we are going to do B part of this question. So B part is 3 centimeter. So students, diameter of a circle is the twice of a radius. So diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Fine. Here radius equals to 3 centimeters. So 2 multiplied by 3 centimeter equals to 6 centimeter. Now we are having C part also. So C part equals to 5 centimeter. Again diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Now 2 multiplied by 5 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter. Fine. Now students, we are going to do question number 4. Fine. In which radius of the circle is given and you have to find diameter of the circle. So we are going to do D part of question number 4. Fine. So students, D part of question number 4 is 24 centimeter. As you know, radius of the circle is the half of the diameter. Fine. Diameter upon 2. Now we will, here diameter is the 24 centimeter. So we will divide 24 by 2. So it comes 12 centimeter. Fine. Now we will do E part of this question. So E part is 30 centimeter. Again radius equals to diameter upon 2. Here diameter is 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter divided by 2 equals to 15 centimeter. Now students, we will read about view. Fine. So what is view? View of an object means how it looks when it is seen from different position, and there are basically 3 views: front view, top view and side view. Now students, we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 13.2, which is on page number 168. So in which question what we have to do? We have to identify the front, top and side view. So students, in A part of question number 2, a shape of tent is given. Find, and you have to find front view, top view and side view. So this one is the front view, as you can see here. This is the front view. Fine. Now second one is the side view. Here already written, this one is the side view. Now third one is top view. Fine. So in this way we will do rest of the question. Now students, turn your page and open page number 169 of your book. We will learn about tiling and tessellation. So what is tiling and tessellation? Arrangement of shapes or tiles that fit into each other without any gaps or overlapping is called tessellation. Fine. Now students, open page number 170 of your book. We are going to do A part of question number 2. Now question number 2 is, choose the tile that can tessellate the given area. So students, here in A part we are having this area and we have to choose the tile that can fit in this area. So the correct answer is second tile. Fine, because this tile can fit in this area. Now we are having B part. In this B part, which tile can fit in this area? So here tile 1 can fit in this area. Now students, turn your page and open page number 172 of your book, in which we will read about perimeter. So students, perimeter is the total length of boundary. Now students, we are going to do question number 1 of exercise 13.4, which is on page number 172. Now we are going to do A part of question number 1, in which we are having one triangle and the measurement of triangle is given. Fine. So as you know that perimeter is the total length of boundary. So students, perimeter of ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD then plus DA. Here AB equals to 6 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter, again CD equals to 6 centimeter and DA equals to 4 centimeter. So the addition will be 20 centimeter. Fine. Now we come to the next part, B part. Here we are having one triangle. Fine. So now we have to find perimeter of this triangle. So perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CA. Here AB equals to 3 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter and CA equals to 4 centimeter. Now we will add the given measurement. So 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equals to 11 centimeter. So student, now in this way we will do rest of the questions. Fine. Now we come to the question number 4, in which what we have to do? We have to find the perimeter of a square whose side is given. Fine. So B part of question number 4 is 12 centimeter. Question number 4, B part is 12 centimeter. As you know students, what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square? So perimeter of square equals to 4 multiplied by side. Now here we are having side 12 centimeter, so we will multiply 4 by 12 centimeter. So the answer will be 48 centimeter. Fine. Now we are going to do C part of question number 4. C part is 25 centimeter and the perimeter of square equals to 4 multiplied by side. Now side is 25 centimeters, so we will multiply 4 by 25 centimeters. So the answer will be 100 centimeter. Okay. Now students, we come to the next question, question number 5, in this question what we have to do? We have to find the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, now in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So in question number 5, we are going to do A part. Find 22 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Now we are going to find perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Here L is equals to length and B equals to breadth. So here length equals to 22 centimeter. So 22 centimeter and plus breadth equals to 18 centimeter. So 22 centimeter plus 18 centimeter. So 22 centimeter plus 18 centimeter equals to 40 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 14 centimeter. Now 2 multiplied by 40 equals to 80 centimeter. Fine. So this one is the answer, 80 centimeter. Now students, we are going to do C part of this question. So C part of this question is 25 meter and 84 meter. Now we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. Fine. Now here length equals to 25 meter and breadth equals to 84 meter. Now 25 meter plus 84 meter equals to 109 meter. Now we will multiply 109 by 2. So the answer will be 218 meter. Fine students. Now students, turn your page and open page number 174. We will revise about symmetry. So students, the line of fold that divides the figure into two equal parts is called the line of symmetry. Fine. And the line of symmetry can be horizontal, vertical and both. And students, one side of the figure will exactly fit over its other side. So such figure are called symmetrical figure. Now students, we are going to do A part of question number 1, which is on page number 175. So students, A part of question number 1 is this. So here we have to draw the line of symmetry. So here is this, a horizontal line is the line of symmetry. Fine. Now we are going to do B part of this question. So students, this vertical line is dividing this figure into two equal halves. So this vertical line is line of symmetry. Now we come to the question number 2. Complete the figure along their line of symmetry. Now we have to complete the given figure. So A part of question number 2 is this one. Now we have to complete this figure. Fine. Now I am completing this figure. So here this figure will exactly fit over its other side. So this is the symmetrical figure. Fine. Now we come to the B part of question number 2. Here again we have to complete the given figure. So we will draw like this. Now this figure will exactly fit over its other side. So this is the symmetrical figure. Now students, turn your page and open page number 176, in which we will learn about reflections. So what is reflection? Students, stand in front of a mirror and look at it. What you will look? You will see your image in it. This is your mirror image or reflection. Fine. Student, the size of the object and its reflection is always the same. Now students, we are going to do A part of question number 1. So question number 1 is, draw the reflections of the given shape. You have to draw the reflection of the given shape. So in A part we are having this shape. Now we have to draw the reflection of the shape. So we will draw like this. Fine. So this is the reflection or mirror image of the given shape. Fine. Now we are having B part. Again we are going to draw a mirror image of the given shape. So this will be the mirror image of the given shape. Fine. In this way we will do rest of the question. Fine. Now students, turn your page and open page number 177 of your book, in which we will going to study about patterns. So what are patterns? Patterns are arrangement of different or same shape, designs, letters or numbers in a particular sequence according to a rule. Fine. Now students, we are going to do question number 1 of exercise 13.7. Now we are going to do A part of question number 1. In question number 1, what we have to do? We have to complete the given pattern. So we are having one pattern 3, 5, 8, 12, 17. Now what will be the next? Students, here the rule in this pattern is to add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Fine. So now I am going to add 6 here. Fine. So 23, 17 plus 23, 17 plus 6 equals to 23, 23 plus 7 equals to 30. Now 30 plus 8 equals to 38. Now 38 plus 9 equals to 47. Fine. So in this way we will do rest of the question. Now we are going to study our next chapter, that is data handling. So students, what is data handling? A data is a collection of information, facts and figures. So students, open page number 186 of your book. Students, this data needs to be arranged systematically. So a systematic way of arranging the collected data is called data handling. Now students, open page number 188 of your book, in which we are going to do question number 1. In this question, what we have to do? We have to read the following pictograph and answer the question that follows. In this question, we have given one pictograph in which we are having 2 columns, one of days of the week and second number of students absent. Fine. Now our A part of question number 1 is, how many children were absent on Saturday? It means Saturday को कितने बच्चे absent थे. And student, here you can see one scale. Find one smiley equals to 2 children and half smiley equals to 1 child. Now in A part of question number 1, we have to find how many children were absent on Saturday. So here Saturday 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It means 7 students were absent on Saturday. Fine. So the answer will be 7. Now B part of question number 1 is, on which day were the maximum number of children absent? It means सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से दिन बच्चे absent थे. So on Monday the maximum number of children were absent. Fine, on Monday, and write their number also. So on Monday 10 students were absent. Now we are going to do C part of this question. So C part is, on which day were only 2 children absent? यानी only 2 children कौन से दिन absent थे? So on Wednesday only 2 children were absent. Fine. Now we are going to do D part of question number 1. So D part is, what is the total number of children in the above data? So here total number of children were 10 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 equals to 37. So the total number of children is 37. Fine. Now we are going to do E part of this question. So E part of this question is, how many more children were absent on Friday than on Tuesday? So here 2 more children were absent on Friday than on Tuesday. Now students, turn your page and open page number 191 of your book, in which we are going to do question number 1 of exercise 14.2. Now students, we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 14.2. So students, question number 3 is, the following bar graph shows the number of students in a class whose names start with A, D, H, I, K, R and S. Now in this question what we have to do? We have to read the bar graph carefully and answer the following question. So A part of this question is, what type of a bar graph is given alongside? So here you can see this is the horizontal bar graph. So the answer is horizontal. Fine. Now B part of this question is, with which letter do most of the names start? So most of the names start with A. Here 15 students. Fine. So the answer will be A. Now C part of this question is, which are the letters with least number of names? So least number of names start with D and I. So answer is D and I. Now D part of this question is, students, you have to turn your page. Now D question is, how many names start with H? So 5 names start with H. Here you can see 5 names start with H. Now E part of this question is, how many students are there in the class? So students, 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 15 equals to 46. Fine. So 46 students are there in the class. So students, I hope you understood well. Work hard and do practice at your home. Thank you.